Session Chair, Professor Dayantha Wijesekara, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. My study is actually an initial literature review study on built-in information modeling or BIM and how it improves built-in performance. I am Ms RP Kumanayake and my colleague Priyantha Bandara. It's a joint study on initial joint study. And when we consider the construction industry over many years, construction drawings have been used as the main document for construction, but they have the drawback of that they lack integration and collaboration between different drawings. As there are hundreds of drawings within a construction project, there is no direct collaboration and integration between these drawings. Then this position was greatly improved by the introduction of computer-aided drafting CAD systems, but they also have the difficulty of exchanging information from one CAD system to another due to compatibility issues. Then meanwhile, construction industry has undergone a paradigm shift and new focal point of construction have emerged. Now, at present time, building designer's spectrum has changed from merely designing the building to managing, to supporting overall management of life cycle of a building project. And today's building designers have to satisfy a lot of criteria, from providing good high quality, comfortable buildings, and they have to also comply with building regulations, minimize life cycle cost, then optimize energy cost and reduce environmental impact. All these criteria are to be considered. Therefore, this requirement prompt the development of a far more sophisticated digital-based information system known as Building Information Modeling or BIM. Although in construction industry it is not very common, some industries such as manufacturing, shipbuilding, aircraft manufacturing, BIM has been used. Building information model is a digital database that represents physical and functional characteristics of a facility. And it serves as a shared knowledge base for all the stakeholders concerned in the project. And it creates collaboration, communication between stakeholders. Therefore, it prevents conflicts among stakeholders during different stages of construction. And you can see this is the model of a building information, concept of the building information modeling. You can see from the early planning and conceptual design until the building is demolished, in all these phases, building information modeling can take place. In conceptual design, detailed design, analysis, documentation, then construction, construction logistics, operations and maintenance, renovation to demolition of the building. Building information model can be used to manage the construction project. So this is a model of a biomedical facility developed by using BIM, and a bird's eye view of a medical center model, a BIM model. And in building information modeling, there are three key concepts. First one, use of database instead of drawings. Then concept of distributed model and value addition of BIM. In BIM, instead of lot of drawings, a database consists of several models is used. There can be drawings, but they are obtained if required from the database. And in the BIM modeling, all elements are in modeling, intelligent objects are used, and these intelligent objects represent the element of the project. And once placed in the BIM, it will automatically represent itself in a lot of building related design elements such as plans, elevations, sections, details, schedules, quantity takeoff, budgets, maintenance plans, etc. As the design change, the intelligent object can adapt itself parametrically to adjust to the new design. That's the main advantage of BIM model. As one characteristic changes, automatically that change is reflected in all the representations of that intelligent object. Then BIM works on concept of distributed model. It takes a distributed approach so that the value of modeling tools is combined with the power of analysis tools. In a distributed BIM environment, separate models are designed for design, construction, scheduling, that is 4D design, then cost 5D design, then fabrication, operations, etc. They are all different sort of design models are developed, and they are integrated and analyzed within the BIM model. As all these models are BIM databases, they can be viewed together. An important application of BIM modeling is clash detection. When viewed together by all the stakeholders concerned, the stakeholders can identify and analyze the clashes that can happen in the building. And then as these problems are identified, they can be solved virtually before going into field operation. Hence, preventing lot of time waste, less cost, and also it prevent conflicts among different stakeholders. That is a very important issue in construction. Then BIM adds value to a building. And in BIM modeling, there is concept called integrated project delivery, IPD. It brings the main stakeholders of the project together earlier in the design, in the process, in order to produce a design which fulfills the criteria required by the building in terms of quality, aesthetics, constructability, affordability, timeliness, then seamless flow into the life cycle management of a building. And also, using IPD, there are model check-in applications integrated into the BIM model. It offers the opportunity to resolve conflicts in a collaborative process during design, while they are still relatively inexpensive to correct. Otherwise, if the construction begins and clashes were detected, it will be highly expensive and lot of conflicts will arise between different stakeholders of the project. Then BIM and building sustainability is directly related to the building sustainability. It plays a major role in meeting global needs for sustainability and climate change, as it allows a design team to take a reduce and optimize approach. Building life cycle assessment is an important aspect in providing sustainable, high performance buildings. That's what a BIM does. Therefore, it helps to provide sustainable buildings which can adapt to climate changes and also climatic protection. And also, there is an increasing trend of getting building projects assessed by globally recognized certification systems like LEEDs, BREEAM and Green Star. There are globally recognized certification systems. Therefore,